This SAT problem gives us the equation, the absolute value of 4x minus 4 is equal to 112. What is the positive value of x minus 1? So if you're solving an absolute value inequality, what your first goal should be is to isolate the absolute values. There is not any math happening on the left side of the equation outside of the absolute values, so that goal is already attained from the onset here. But if I did have maybe a +5 after the absolute values ended, my first step would be to subtract 5. Once the absolute values are isolated, you're going to need to realize that there are two numbers that could go in this position right here, two numbers that could go inside this set of absolute values that have an absolute value result of 112. What I just highlighted, 4x minus 4, can actually equal 112, right? Absolute value of 112 is 112. Or what I highlighted here could equal negative 112, since the absolute value of negative 112 is positive 112. So I solve both of these equations. So I'm going to add 4, divide by 4. I get x equals 29 as one of my solutions. I do the same two steps, add 4, divide by 4. I get x equals negative 27 as my other solution. Now what we are asked to determine is the positive value of x minus 1. If these are the two possible values for x, the only way for x minus 1 to remain positive is if I take the 29 solution for x and subtract 1 from it and give the result of 28. If it had asked for the negative value of x minus 1, my answer would be negative 28. Negative 27 minus 1. We're going with positive 28 because it asks for the positive value of x minus 1.